Damn, Moto, you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, bro? Cheer up, bro. It's time for you to make 1K today. A K a day keeps the doctor away, right? Hey, I told you, bullish. Bullish. Let me bring out my magic 8 ball. So my magic 8 ball tells me that it's respecting this trend line and it's going to come all the way up here on MNQ. That's where resistance is at. Bullish, dog. This whole week we're going to keep exploding, dog. Ain't no way. We cut 50 basis points unexpected. Everybody expected 0.25. Nope. Papa Pow gave us 50. So, market overreaction, exploding time. Probably political, but whatever. It is what it is. Your volume is really low. You're really low. How's it now? I think I'm good now, right? Yeah, it is. It is showing pretty low. Hold on. Hello, 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 hello. This is what I get for getting a Timu mic. You can't hear me? Well, I don't know what's going on. Can anybody else hear me? What's going on with my mic? Hold up. Mic Can you hear me now? Better? I just disconnected it. Freaking Timu gear is gonna is gonna blow up on you. I mean, I was gonna say a dark joke, but what's up, still, bro? Can you hear me, bro? Timu gear is gonna blow up on you. Okay, I think I'm good. So, where I'm gonna let the market do its thing. Let's take a look at the Russell, and we're just fucking dying. What time is it? 9:43. Well, I wasn't gonna do anything with that anyways. I'm gonna wait for. Let's look at the Dow Jones. You're super low. Well, that's crazy because I can hear myself on the other end. I don't know what's going on. All right, well, I'm gonna start all over. Start all over. If you can't hear me, then I'm just gonna start all over. All right, well, I'm gonna start all over.
Connect.
Can you hear me, E? Let me message E. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. All right, so Dow Jones popped up, coming back down. I don't know where I got this at, so I'm gonna delete that. Let's go to the Russell. The Russell is really dying. So the Russell's really dying, and I'm not gonna get into that shit. As usual, I'm gonna wait for the EMAs to, I mean, price action to come back to the EMAs, and it's approaching a level of resistance. Well, a level of support now. It used to be resistance. So we exploded past it, and now we're approaching that. So obviously, I'm gonna wait for it to come back towards the EMAs on the 2 minute and also on the 5 minute and capture that EMA bounce. You good? Just gotta turn up my volume too high. Fuck it, blast your volume. We're gonna keep on going, bro. I gotta trade. Um, so yeah, like I was saying, let me switch it also to the Dow Jones right here. So we have price action hitting VWAP on the 5 minute, and on the Russell, we're below VWAP and below the 200. So obviously the sentiment is to the bear side. Probably the one that's gonna give me a play first is most likely gonna be the Russell, unless the Dow Jones pops back up and goes above the EMAs because I don't counter trend trade, I trade with trend. And the trend here is still to the upside, and the trend here is to the downside. The more likely scenario of where I'm placing a trade today is most likely on the Russell. So we're gonna do our due diligence and go to the 15 minute. We're gonna mark. We have the 200 EMA on the 15 minute right there, plus a level of resistance. Super trend is red. We go on the 30 minute. We are holding on that 50 EMA on the 30 minute. We got 11 minutes to go to even break past that, so I'm gonna mark that as well. And possibly go to the 1 hour. It's same thing, the 15-minute 200. So we come back to the 5 minute, and this is the 50 EMA on the 30 minute. Okay. So what I'm looking at now is the EMAs to pass the 200 and price action to come back to the EMAs. Again, the same thing. Uh, Same thing as I always do. EMA bounce. EMA bounce. I'm always bouncing off those EMAs. I mean, I'm figuring out that like EMA bounces, those are my shit, bro. That's my bread and butter, and I'm perfecting that shit to the fucking T. So I know what I need to look at already before I even enter this play. So obviously, um, let's go on the 15 minute. The sentiment is to the bearish. So right now we're bearish. We're below that 50 MA. Sentiment is bearish. Indicators bearish. So all I'm looking for is for indicators to line up on the 5 minute to stay bearish. Price action to come back to the EMAs on the 5 minute. Once I get that, I go to the 2 minute, wait for price action to bounce off those EMAs, and have my indicators bearish. All I'm looking for, and then capture the leg down if it happens. It doesn't have to happen all the time. Okay. Um, so let's take a look at the Dow Jones because that's still setting up right here. So on the Dow Jones, we had a VWAP bounce. We're still trying to break above that. Nothing to trade here. You're just in between nothingness. You're in between chop. If you go to MNQ, um, oh look, it just happened to break the imaginary trend line that I drew. If you go to MNQ, we broke that 50 MA. Um, you really need that to hold though, below the 50, and you can probably target VWAP. I think MNQ can do it with enough momentum because the momentum is to the downside. So I think that would be an amazing scalp down. It's got to be really fast though. And the next candle has to break it on the 50 MA unless MNQ fucking drops down so fast that you can't even react to it. So let's go to MES and take a look at what it's doing. And again, it's the same thing. It looks like the market's doing a pullback. The market's doing a pullback to the downside, so it can probably keep going. The broader trend is still to the upside. Let's take a look at my Bank of America play. The swing trade that I was calling out. We finally broke past the wedge and the level of resistance. I entered yesterday at 39 39.80. I entered. Price exploded today to 40.40. I'm still gonna hold though, because the sentiment's still to the upside. This time I won't paper hand it. I will try to get my target like around 40.70 and cash it out. My risk is probably like right around here, like at 39.50 around there. Um, so we'll see if it plays out. But it eventually ended up doing what I thought it was gonna do. Well, first I thought it was gonna be short, but because of the momentum of FOMC and the market just exploding, making new all-time highs, I decided to ride the wave and change my bias to the upside. So let's see if maybe by tomorrow it can hit it or the next day. I don't know. We'll see. Um, so let's come back to the Russell. Hopefully I didn't miss the play yet. Still nothing. Still coming on down. Still very far away. Let's go back to the 30 minutes. We got 6 minutes till that candle forms below that 50 AMA on the 30 minute. Doesn't really mean anything. I'm just being aware of my surroundings. But it'll be a very great bearish indication on the higher time frame to enter a sniper entry. So we come back on the 2, still not doing nothing. And let's just put the Dow Jones side by side with it. So obviously the one that I'm gonna take is gonna be the Russell play. My back is up 16% right now. My second run at Snap is up 10%. That's beautiful, bro. That's fucking great. What's up, Mark? Good morning, bro. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I was up 27% this morning on Bank of America. Um, so but I could have easily took it, but this time I'm not gonna paper hand it like I did on Snapchat. Snapchat, I called out this play on Snapchat for the swing position, and that shit is exploding at $10. And when did I call it out? I called it out on the daily, right? So on the day chart, I think I called it at the break of the 24. And then originally I got damn fucking chart load up. Um Damn, why isn't this shit loading, bro? Teemu ass internet, bro. God damn, who the fuck is wasting my gigabytes? It's probably me. So whatever. I think I called it like a 950 and it's trading at $10 right now. Or probably even lower. But my price target for Snapchat is 1050 because that's where a level of resistance on Snapchat. Then we have this fucking massive gap fill on Snapchat. So if you get that gap fill, I mean, conservatively, I could see it going to 1050, that swing position. But getting this, oh my God. 913 is when you first said snap to me. Okay. So it ended up working out. Both of the plays that I called out ended up working out. So we're practicing swing trading here. It looks like I'm 2 for 2. Well, I don't know about Bank of America yet, but I'm close to it though. I'm close to it. Okay, so here we got a pop on the Russell. It's coming back to the EMAs. Let's go on the 5 minute. And we still got a ways to go. I still wanted to touch that 9 EMA on that 5 minute. It can maybe do it. We're still very bearish. So we're just gonna keep watching it. Let's come right here, M2K, get my chart ready to execute a position. Okay, so we're just minutes from taking this Russell play. Another short position to the downside. Let me check out the 30 minute. So, you know, as usual, I'm not surprised that we have a giant wick on the 50 MA on the 30 minute on the Russell. I'm not surprised at all. It's the 50 MA on the 30 minute. Of course it's gonna rebound back up. Um it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm still not gonna go short. I'm trading with the 5 and the 2 minute, so obviously I'm gonna go short. So we come right here on the 2 minute, and it's a little bit above the 9 EMA, and it's crossing the whole moving average a little bit. That's totally fine. Come over here. Still bearish, still bearish. RSI is above that moving average though. RSI is above that moving average though, so I don't like that. I need it to bounce back off on the 2 minute. So let's keep watching that. Let's put M2K here on the 5 minute and watch it simultaneously at the same time so we all see the same exact thing. So we have it popping back up on the 5 minute. We have him popping back up. It's approaching that 200 EMA and the 9 EMA. If it can come and bounce off of that, that would be wonderful. So we need to see a bounce, and probably like a nice selling wick to the downside. But I need these 2 minute price action to come back down the EMAs. But this right here, this MACD crossing, that's not good. I needed to stay red, and I needed to flip back to red. We'll keep watching though. So my price target would be the low of today's trading day, just like yesterday. I'm targeting the low of today's trading day if it happens to bounce off of these EMAs. Every time I trade, I always get a pre-planned target in mind. Okay, so we're approaching the 200 here, and we just hit super trend on the 2 minute. So we're approaching VWAP and the 200 on the 5 minute, and we're also approaching VWAP on the 2 minute. VWAP is usually the average, so price would want to come to VWAP, do fugazi shit around VWAP, bounce off of VWAP, and continue the trend to the downside. Usually that's what happens when price comes to VWAP. Let's see if it's true. Back is now up 50%. Hold up. Dude, holy shit. Dude. Holy shit, bro. It's almost to my price target, dog. That's crazy, dude. Bro, I'm up 40% on Bank of America. 40% on Bank of America. Bro, I can fucking just take that shit, bro. Look. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the 40%, bro. I mean, all I wanted was 1%. I sold it. I sold it for 40%, bro. So let me go right here. We have a bounce off the 200. So I don't like that the indicator is still green here. I needed to come back down. We're still red here though. So I'm going to keep on waiting. I needed to come back down even further to even entertain a short position right here. By the way, screen. So if I sound weird, please let me know. Even though my volume already sounds low. Um, let me know. Okay. Are you gonna keep holding to how long are you gonna keep holding it to? Because my price target was like 40.70. It's like it's like 40.50 right now, 20 cents off, but I'm just gonna fucking take that shit, bro. You don't go broke taking profits, dog. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't want to go short. On the YM, we're going back to the long side. Shit. Yeah, we're coming on up on the Russell. This doesn't look too appealing anymore. It's coming on up, and I kind of don't like that. You're holding it to the moon. Oh shit, fuck it, bro. Hey, I'm a paper hand, bro. I don't give a fuck. If all I want is like fucking 1% on the bitch. That's all I want, dude. If I got like fucking 39 times more, I'm fucking taking it, dog. Fuck it. But hey, 2 for 2 on the swing trades, bro. So we'll look for I'll look for another swing trade uh next time. Probably later on today or something. So we're rejecting a bit here. I still don't trust this at all. I mean, we're very bearish and we have an EMA bounce on the 5 minute. On the 2 minute, it's not convincing me at all. Not convincing me at all. Oh my god, what happened, dude? Okay, like I was saying, the indicators are not convincing me at all. I need that MACD to flip. Up 60%. Damn, me, you're just fucking Count Dracula over here. 60, 65, 70. Okay. Well, this looks like it looks like I'm gonna bail off this shit here on YM. They got rejected off Super Trend. Uh, which one do I want to play? Because the Russell, I don't like it anymore, dude. I don't like it anymore. The sentiment is switching. We go on the 15. I mean, we're still bearish. Whatever, bro. I'm not gonna keep switching back and forth. So we're gonna stay right here. Trailing right now, stop loss is at 35%. That's amazing, bro. Guaranteed money. Guaranteed money, bro. Look at that 5 minute on the on back. That shit crazy bullets, dog. God damn. Okay, let's go back on the 2 minute. We're gonna keep on stalking a short. Where all indications are telling me to go short on the Russell, and I'm stalking that shit. I'm gonna shoot my shot at the correct time. So we're coming on down a bit. 5 minutes, still short. What is the 1 minute telling me? It's telling me it's not ready yet. Okay. I have to be patient. I have to be patient. This is the part of trading where patience comes in because it looks like it's rejecting, but I've done this EMA bounce so many times that I know when not to take it yet. Even though it's coming on down. RSI is coming down. I just don't like this MACD right here. I really wanted to switch. I need price action to cross that whole moving average too. Let's see what's up. Snap is up 20%. Back just gave a long signal on the day chart. Nice, bro. Damn, you're on that fucking swing trade, bro. You're monitoring that shit like crazy. What's MNQ doing? Doing the same shit as YM. False signal. Rejected your ass off of super trend. Okay, it's coming down, so okay. We're sticking to the Russell then. We're in a consolidation phase on the Russell, so let's take a look at that 15-minute. Still very bearish. Let's take a look at that 30-minute. It's still holding on that 50 MA. Still bearish. All indications are still bearish. Doesn't want to go down though. It does not want to go down though. Man, that's crazy. Bank of America is trading like practically at 40.60, like so close away from my price target. I should have held, but I paper handed. Shit. Now Russell's coming up. Okay, so clearly this is not going to go back down. Just shopping around in range. Disgusting price action. I kind of don't see this coming down anymore, to be honest with you. I really don't. And I'm not gonna fucking force a play at all. Fuck that, bro. Bro, the whole month of September so far, I have not had a red day. Thank God. Knock on wood, because of the patience that I'm only taking plays that I need to. So this the long shifting MACD is still coming to the downside, and this one is still coming down. Even though we do have a MACD cross here, it's still pretty invalid because of, like, literally the MACD has to start curving its way back up in order it to be relevant. Here, there's a MACD cross, but it's still not making its way up. Not yet, at least. Same thing with this one, but on the 2 minute here, this MACD, it's definitely coming on up. So it's two conflicting biases. Bias on the 2 minute is conflicting on the 5. So it's a trade that I absolutely would not take at all. Everything has to line up the same on all the on the time frames that I use. The 2 minute has to line up with the 5. The 5 has to line up with the 15, and that's how I trade. So we're just chopping around this range. Um, Let me see. Why did I mark this line? Is it because of the 200? No. Oh, duh. The 58 MA on the 30 minute. Price is holding on that still. So I would say, it's my assumption, my opinion, we got 13 minutes on that candle. If you get a candle open below that 50 MA, you can possibly see it coming down. Until then, it might just be doing some fugazi ass price action, just chopping around in a range, not knowing what to do. Eventually, it's gonna pick a way, either up or down, and we just have to wait for that. But my bias is still to the short side. I want to take a short side trade, bro. I want to, but I can't let that monkey in my head dictate how should I want to trade, or how to trade it. I just need to trade whatever the chart tells me. If this shit just happens to switch to bullish, which most likely I don't think so, then I'll go bullish. What's MNQ doing for the people that trade MNQ? It's finally popping up, but damn, you had to stomach a fucking massive move. Did you see that? That fucking explosion? We just broke to make another all-time high. God damn. That's crazy, dog. MES still trailing it. Yeah, but you had to stomach that fucking. You had to stomach a fucking massive candle on MNQ, unless you took it at the break of super trend, which would be here. Then you wouldn't have to stomach it that much. But that shit's just pumping right now. Perfect price action to play. At the break of super trend here, that would have been a perfect entry. And the 5 minute is bullish on MNQ. bounce above the EMAs and it's coming on up. This is all systems go. On M&Q, systems go. Systems go. So here, we're still coming on up. Let's go back to the Dow Jones. Not doing shit. Let's take a look at MES. It might be doing something. It's trailing it. I actually might have to trade MES. It's coming on up. Damn. Should I trade it, bro? I mean, if I want to get on it, I need to get on it now. Now. Because we're just broke super trend. It's coming up to the upside, and I can target up here for 6 points. I think it's fucking, it might be too late for me, dog. I don't even have my Ninja Trader set up to trade MES, but shit, this is why you got to be fucking ready. Because I can already tell you right off the bat, this right here is a trade to get into, and you target day high, and we're popping off right there. Oh well, I missed that opportunity because I'm stuck on the Russell. So on the Russell, we're coming back up. We just broke the 200, and now we're at VWAP. So we'll see what happens here. We're getting that reaction off VWAP though. Oh, nice! Look at that hard rejection off of VWAP. Okay, let's see. Keep that 5 minute up. Keep that 2 minute up. Let's see what happens here. So 5 minute, it's switched bullish, kind of. 2 minute, it's coming on up. So obviously, the 2 minute is leading to 5. So price momentum most likely is going to go to the upside. That's why I said I'm married to a short bias position, but I can't take it. I can't take it because the charts are telling me that we're flipping to bull unless we get a hard rejection down. But I don't know if I see that happening, to be honest with you. I really don't. We'll keep on watching though. This shit's mad boring though. I'm not even gonna lie. This fucking 1022 have been an hour at this. Usually I'm done. It might be one of those days that it's gonna fucking take forever for a fucking setup, bro. It might be one of those days, but hey, that's fucking trading. Trading is, I mean, you're on the schedule of the market. If the market's not fucking giving you an opportunity within the first hour, I mean, you just gotta thug it out. Keep on holding. I mean, I hope it fucking doesn't take too long. I 11 o'clock, I'm for sure cutting it. I'm not gonna fucking be waiting forever, dude. I'm definitely not gonna be waiting forever. If the Dow Jones flips because it's closer, no, it's coming back down. So we're breaking VWAP. This could be a nice trade to 200. We're gonna stick right here. Okay. Getting some rejection off of VWAP. Keep watching, keep watching. We'll see what's up. Okay, it's doing something. It got rejected off of VWAP. Small, thin doji candle on the 30-minute. That means indecisiveness. If it stays this size within the next 5 minutes, probably that's gonna state indecisiveness. Okay, let's stay here. Now we just need everything to flip back to red, which is pretty hard. Sold enough, snap up 45%. I have a free runner. Damn, you're killing it on that swing trade, brother. Good shit, bro. Proud of you, bro. Okay, rejection off VWAP. We have a little bit of selling pressure. RSI is touching that moving average right here. RSI is touching that moving average. This is still green. I do not like that. This is still green. I do not like that. Come on the 5 minute. That's green. I don't fucking like that. This is above its moving average. I don't fucking like that. I don't know, bro. I don't see any opportunities here. Let's check on YM. So 5 minute, just choppy price action. We're coming down. We broke VWAP, but obviously VWAP, a lot of people short VWAP when it's under, when price action is under it, and they put a stop loss, and then usually around VWAP, it takes the stop losses out, um, and keeps pushing to whatever side that people think it's going to. That's what I view VWAP as. Let me take a look at MNQ. Did it keep on popping? It fucking did. It fucking did. All systems go. Oh, let's take a look at MES. Did MES go to the take profit that I said? It did not. It gave you a limp dick because my target was up here. I mean, you still have a chance to keep on going. It's still, momentum is still in your favor. God damn, bro. Oh my god. Did you see that? Yeah. Like I said, take profit. That shit is fucking got hit right now. I should have just traded MES. I should have just traded MES. All right, M2K, give me something, bro. Give me something, bro. I'm just like married to this play. It needs, like, on the 5 minute, it needs to break VWAP, it needs to break 20, it needs to break super trend, and then you got the fucking 50 MA. God damn, I have so much shit in the way for Russell, bro. And that's like the most prepared so I'm not even prepared to trade YM at all. So let me do this. We're gonna do an alert on M2K, on Super Trend, and we're gonna make an alert right below the whole moving average. If price action hits one of those alerts, I'll switch back to take a look at it. We're gonna look at the Dow Jones for a possible long entry. So, okay, it's looking a little whack on the 5 minute. So on the 15 minute, very bullish. Actually, not really. It's not very bullish at all anymore. So we're switching bearish on YM on the 15 minute, but it's holding. The super trend is holding. Let's go back on the 5. EMAs are braided, so It shows indecisiveness. Most likely, in order to trade YM, I need a break of super trend, or it won't be traded at all. And it needs to break this super trend here. And then we got 5 minute. We have that super trend right here. 2 minute. So there's two barriers right there. It's super trend, super trend. There's too much shit in the way. So I don't even know if this is tradable, to be honest with you. Okay, we have a break of the 50 MA on the 2 minute. I can probably expect it to go hit super trend and get rejected off of it. So we have an alert on M2K. Let's take a look at it. It has broke the 50 MA. Let's go on the 5 minute. It's hitting super trend. So we're going to keep watching that. Okay, so it looks like I'm fucking staying on the Russell. Looks like I'm staying on the Russell. So we just broke super trend. We have the 50 MA right there. Let's go to the 2 minute. I could possibly target the 200 EMA. Let me see if I can do that. Do I want to try? Okay, so we're coming on up. Indicators are still green. Looks like Bank of America hit my fucking price target. Nice. So I'm going to take a position on the Russell, and we're going to scalp
Order
it
submitted.
to 2278.9. So we're going to do a quick scalp here on the Russell. I got in a little bit late, but that's okay. I think we can hit this trade. Indicators are still bullish. So MACD has a lot of momentum. MACD has a lot of momentum. RSI is above its moving average. So I'm pretty sure we can do it. Let's see if we can scalp it from level to level. Break of the 50 MA, scalp it to the 200 on the 2 minute, and just be out. So got some good momentum coming up. Cut some risk off. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, Russell. You are doing so good. You are doing so good. Just give me my little scalp, and I'm fucking fine with that. Back is up 78%. God damn me. Come on. I know we can push up to there. I know we can push up there. Come on. I just need a little bit of a further push up. Come on. Don't be an asshole. I think we can do it. Damn, dude, don't give me blue balls, bro. Shit. I'm like right there to my take profit, bro. Just fucking get to it. Okay? Okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. There you
Order
go.
canceled.
There you go. Got the little small scalp on the Russell. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So let's review. Why did I take this trade? I took this trade. We have our indicators, our MACD, very green, separated. We have our momentum shifting MACD, very green. RSI still above its moving average. We come to the 5 minute. 5 minute broke past super trend, broke above the 200, broke above VWAP. I targeted the 50 EMA on the 5 minute. Now we're looking at the rejection here. Indicators are up to the green. So I matched the 5 minute and the 2 minute indicators, and I rode that momentum up to the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA on the 2 minute. And that's how I perform my scalp. Still haven't lost yet in the month of September. Beautiful. Wonderful. Picked up 74% on a Tesla swing trade from yesterday and 200 on M&Q pre-market. I'm done for the day. Fucking beautiful, Mark. Fucking killing that shit, bro. Nice job on the M2K trade. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Haven't lost yet in the month of September. That would be so fucking crazy if I end up the whole month green. Oh, that'll be wonderful. That'll be wonderful. Just I'm just gonna keep on doing smart, calculated trades, not FOMOing into them. Um, make sure that the trend aligns with what I want to do. Align the indicators on the bigger time frame and the shorter one. Make sure there's no levels in the way. And I think I'll be good. And I think I'll be good. Okay, 10:37. Nice. Not bad. That's the time that I ended yesterday. Close enough. I think I ended like at 10:33. Hell yeah, way to go, Mark. That's for fucking sure. Way to go, Mark. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go. Well, I ran on my treadmill. I played some basketball, and now I'm gonna lift some weights. And after I lift some weights, I need to do some stretching. So when you're getting old, I think, in my opinion, you should stretch. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm glad that you guys are green, and I'm glad that I'm green.